Hi guys, I just wanted to share something which I found on the iPhone, which has really made me laugh today. So I thought I'd make a quick video and share it with you. A lot of people don't know that you can actually download ringtones directly from iTunes. I used to get my ringtones from third-party websites, and then they would email it to me, and then I would have to sync my phone, and it was just a bit of a process, really. But I've just discovered that if you open the iTunes app and you click on the search icon and you type in exactly this phrase, ringtones for iPhone. Ringtones for iPhone into iTunes, click search. That's better. You can see that a bit better now. And some of the stuff here is quite explicit, so you need to be warned. So if there's any children in the room, they might not want to listen to this, but some of these just really make me laugh. I mean, okay, let's have a listen to this one. This is called It's Your Wife. Have a listen to this.
It's your wife, she loves you to bits. If you answer this call, she'll let you play with her tits. So pick up the phone, she wants to talk to you, 'cause you could be in luck and get a blowjob too. It's your wife, she loves you to bits.
Yeah, you get the gist with that one, right? We got an angry Scotsman here, which is pretty cool.
Ring, fucking ring! Your fucking phone is fucking ringing! Pick your phone up, you bastard! You stupid southern Sunday drinking bastard! Your mobile phone is ringing! You gotta pick this bastard up! I'll tell you, get a fucking Glasgow kiss, you bastard! Hey, Jimmy!
And this one, it tops it all for me, really, this one. Again, no kids, please.
Warning. The person calling you is a cunt. The person calling you is a cunt. An absolute cunt is calling you now. A cunt, a complete cunt, and nothing but a cunt wants to talk to you. Do not pick up, because if you do, you will be talking to a cunt.
So look, for a quick install, you just press, there you go, look, by tone. And you can set it as your default, as you can see, or assigned to a contact, and done. I mean, how quickly and simple is that? How do we get out of that? Done. Yeah, so just type the phrase ringtones for iPhone into iTunes. You can do this from, you can do this with an iPhone 3G upwards. So I'm using an iPhone 4 here with iOS 6. So if you've got a 3G and up, then you can do this. You just open iTunes, type in ringtones for iPhone, and you can see some fun stuff there. So thanks for watching.